Hello my dear students, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture I will add our text for YouTube channel art. So without any further delay, let's get started. At first I will create shape layer. That's why I click shape tool and choose rectangular tool. Now I will draw a shape like this. At the time I will move it. That's why I click move tool and move it. Moreover, I will select shape tool. For that reason I click shape tool and choose here. Then again draw another layer like this. At the time I want to change fill color. That's why I click here and choose my color as my need like this. Suppose I need this types of color. Finally I will adjust it. That's why I click move tool and I move it as my need like this. At the time I will select text tool. That's why I click here and write something like this. Suppose our YouTube channel name is Nafiul Alam Naim. That's why I write it. Now I press Ctrl A from my keyboard for selecting. Recently I want to change font color. That's why I select here and pick our color as my need like this. Suppose I like red. After choosing, hit on OK. Right now I will adjust our text. For that again click move tool and check the show transform control. Now I will adjust. Just follow the process. I want to do a little bit small like this. That's why I drag it as my need. I think this is perfect. That's why I press OK. At the same time again choose text tool like this and write something in layer like this. Now press Ctrl A for selecting like this. Now I will change font color. That's why I click here. Suppose right now I need black color. Then press OK. And right now I also change font style. That's why I click here and choose any font. Suppose I need copper black like this. At the moment I want to do customize. For that reason I click move tool and customize it as my need like this. Just follow the process. Alright, I think this is perfect. That's why I click OK. Now I will uncheck the show transform control and hide this space layer like this. Alright guys, now looks the design. The design is simply good, right? So guys, I hope in this way you can easily create these types of design. Now you have to export it. For that click file option and choose save as. At the same time you can change file name and you have to select save as type. For YouTube channel art you can select PNG or JPEG file. Suppose right now I select JPEG format and finally press save. Now check the criteria and hit on OK. Okay guys, now I will check our design. That's why I click here and I open it. Hey guys, look the design. The design is simply good, right? Now you can upload this channel art on your YouTube channel. Suppose right now I will upload this design in my YouTube channel. For that I already opened my YouTube channel. Now I will upload it. That's why I click here. Now select a photo from your computer. Look, this is our design. I just select it and open it. Finally select. Hey my dear students, please follow carefully. The channel art has been attached very nicely, right? So I hope in this way you can easily create YouTube cover art for your YouTube channel. Thank you very much for staying with me.